Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Yeah, hey guys. So today I'm finna show you guys some press-ons. I'm gonna show you guys how to make some press-ons. First we're gonna do a color swatching for this PR package that I received from Bornpretty. They sent me a collection of their reflective gel polishes. So I'm gonna show you guys all six of them, and then we're gonna get right into creating these press-ons. Now, I'm showing you guys that I buff each of my tips first. All right, we're gonna buff them, buff them, buff them, buff them, buff them, buff them, buff them. Don't know why it's taking me so long. I only showing you guys. Well, I'm showing you guys six gel polishes. So there's, oh my god, six gel polishes. So six tips, of course. So yeah, I do use these little nail stands that I got from Amazon. These gel polishes right here is the last PR kit that they sent me. You see those orange nails in the corner? I used that polish kit to create these orange press-ons in the corner right there. But this is the new one. Real cute, real cute. I'm gonna show you guys all six of them, of course. So yeah, here goes the first one. It is a light pink reflection type of glitter. Really pretty, really pretty. The next one is like a berry, like a berry shade. When I tell you guys I am obsessed with glitter, the press-ons that I'm going to make after this portion of the video, I have on my fingers right now. That's how obsessed I am with glitter, especially reflective glitter. You know how when you're walking down the street, oh, this is a silver one, so just a standard color one. But you know how when you're walking down the street and someone have on a vest and you'll see the reflection, like the reflectors on it? Yeah, that's what this polish gives. Cute, real cute. This is a blue one. So freaking cute. So cute, so cute. I don't even know what else to say. Like I'm not trying to I don't know what I'm trying to do, but I'm just trying to let y'all know how obsessed I am. This is a purple one. Yes, ma'am. Uh-huh, uh-huh, uh-huh. And as you can see the colors like from this far, like from this distance. Like you can, this is a goldish one, but they are opaque. I do go in and give this a second layer. I do. But then we put that in the lamp 60 seconds, of course. Here goes the second layer. We're starting with the gold this time. You see how that second layer just finishes it off? It makes it super opaque. And I turned down the lighting so you guys can actually see how glittery it is, how reflective it actually is. And you can really see the colors now. Like I literally see the purple, I see the gold, I see the light pink, I see the blush. Like I see that. Or berry blush, whatever color you want to call it. This is the blue one. Oh my god, all this stuff just I will say I don't think you can see the blue one that much, only because of the blue sticky stuff I use on the little nail stands. This is the silver one. It keeps moving. Jesus Christ. Oh, these are so pretty. This is the berry one again. This looks so good, y'all. It looked like the glitter is moving. I think that's really why I like it. Like the glitter looks like it's diamonds dancing for real. I never had any gel polish this glittery before. Never, ever, 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 ever. And I really love this glitter. I don't know why I love it so much, but I do. And we gonna put that in a nail lamp, and then we're also gonna top coat it. I don't know if I show you guys me top coating. I know you guys always notice that when I'm using gel polish, I take my fingers and I swipe it just so I know for sure that it's dry. So yeah. Not dry, but so it doesn't actually start to run off on the edge, so the shape is still crisp. That's why I take my fingers and run it across the sides of the tip, even when I'm doing acrylic nails. So yeah, I'm gonna do a thin layer gel polish, and then I'm gonna bring them out, and you guys gonna see how glittery and reflective it is. You can see the blue now. You can see the blue, the purple. Oh my god, they're just so cute. Even my aunt was like, "Oh, I want me a pair with just the gold glitter." My other aunt says she wants a pair with just the blue glitter. So yeah, y'all here. That's my Pressons. They cute. They real cute. All right, I turned down the glitter so you can see diamonds dancing in the nightlight. You see that? Cute, real cute. I'm trying to see if they glow. Like I'm pressing on them and touching on them and stuff. And then I realized that one I forgot to top coat it. Skipped it. So yeah, we'll go back, top coat that. Y'all, when I do this stuff, I make sure I'm super thorough. Especially when I'm doing it for promotion. Well, not promotion, but just like PR. Like I received this as a gift. And as a gift, I want to show you guys what I got because it's good stuff. You see how reflective that is? This is really good stuff. If it wasn't good stuff, I really want to show y'all. Also, if it wasn't good stuff, I wouldn't want it for free. It would be a waste. I'm not a hoarder. I don't need extra stuff. So these are the tips I use. I've already put base coat on them. I've already buffed them and did base coat. And now we're starting with our first layer. This color is the blue reflective that I'm putting halfway from the tip of the nail. Yes, ma'am. Making sure that I got an even coat on there. Make sure all your polish has an even coat. You don't want no streaks. This is the purple one. And I'm going to put this near the cuticle portion of the tip. And I'm going to fade it down into that blue. Y'all, when I say this came out perfection. Sorry, I keep going out of the frame just a little bit. It's just a little bit. Did not come back. I was in awe of this gel polish, y'all. That's why I'm showing y'all. I'm making the diamonds dance for sure. Like that's how you know for sure that I actually like this polish. It was really good. The quality is good. The fact that you get 6 colors, that's a steal. And you can get this stuff on Amazon, so you know Amazon is sending you stuff within a day or two. So yeah, this is gonna be a second coat. We're gonna do the purple one first this time, and we're gonna bring it halfway down for all the tips. Yes, ma'am. And as you can see, you can barely see the blue part under it now, only because the opacity of this glitter is magnificent. Okay, it's a full coverage. After the second coat, full coverage. The first coat is reflective, but that second coat, full coverage reflective glitter. Now we're gonna put the blue down and we're gonna feather it up to get into that purple, so it'll be like a smooth ombre, y'all. And it really is a smooth ombre. It really is. I got so many compliments already, and I'm just like, these little nails, because as you can see, they're not long. I prefer long XL nails. So these are like a standard taper square, really cute, really cute. Making sure that I'm getting an even coat, making sure that I'm going in and I'm feathering it so that I can see the purple and the blue. It's so pretty. Now we're gonna take our fingers, wipe the sides so our tips don't be super bulky, and we're gonna put them in. That was our second coat. All right, we top coated it off camera. Now I'm finna show you guys how I reshaped them. Okay, I flipped them from bottom to top, and I'm gonna show you guys what angle. I do this at an angle. So watch. That's a tip. Yep, tip. And this is the hand file. And you see that angle? Not up and down, but just slightly at an angle. And that's going to give me a really crisp shape. Okay, and I'm going to take my time. I do have this sped up, so it may look like I'm not taking my time, but I am. Also, these are press-ons. It shouldn't take that long. It's not acrylic. There's no acrylic on this. It's just gel polish and a press-on tip. Angle it, making sure you're keeping your nails straight, because you can apply pressure to one side of the tip and not the other side, and then it'll be crooked. So just make sure you have it at the perfect angle. Okay. All right. Last nail, and then I'm gonna show you guys the finished product. I think I'm gonna put in a video of them on my fingers too, so you guys can see how great they look. They look so amazing. So yeah, now, yep, you can see the blue, you can see the purple. Dust them off, because you gotta what? Dust your clients off. I dropped one. We're gonna pick it up so you guys can see. Oh, they're so cute. Okay, you see that blue at the bottom? You see that purple at the top? So cute.